Hello, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? Have a blessed day everyone. Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. Unang upload natin sa month of July. Marami po tayong bagong dating na unit at yung ibang unit na nag-adjust ng price. Check nyo to mga bossing. Lahat po ito quality units, gas in go. Na-check at na-scan na po natin to. Kaya sa mga naghahanap ng sasakyan dyan, pwede nyo pong panoorin to hanggang sa dulo. Simulan na natin to, pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, pakilike and subscribe naman po at isama mo na ang notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Alright, eto na po sila. Unang unit na kasama sa ating lineup, 2015 Toyota Vios 1.3J, manual transmission, gas engine, mileage 16,000 km, price 328,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap dyan ng Toyota Vios na manual transmission, J-bar yan to pero all power. Legit po ang mileage nito. Tama po ang dinig nyo, 16,000 lang pong tinakbo. Swerte pong makakabili nito fresh in and out. Upgraded touchscreen head unit with Bluetooth ready at meron na rin po itong reverse camera. 5-speed manual transmission. Smooth ang shifting nitong unit. 2015 model to pero kita niyo man ang itsura. Hindi po masyadong gamit ng unit. Maayos ang kondisyon at intact po lahat. Under the hood, good running condition engine. Naka 1.3 liter single VVTi gas engine that produces 98 horsepower at 123 Nm of torque. Available po itong unit sa financing. Plus check ng computation nasa screen. Presentable original shiny paint pa po yan. Maayos po itong unit kahit ipacheck nyo po sa kasa wala pong problema. Kompleto ang mga papel nito, ready for transfer. Next, 2008 Toyota RAV4 2.4L 4WD automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 190,000 km, price 335,000. Location, Marikina City. Meron din po tayong Toyota RAV4, pasok sa budget nyo po ito na 4-wheel drive. 2008 model to pero well-maintained and well-preserved unit. 4-speed automatic transmission, responsive, wala pong delay sa shifting, naka all leather po ang mga upuan. Maayos pang kondisyon ng leather nito except sa driver side, yun lang po ang lagi po talagang problema. Ayun po, mayroon po siyang punit yung leather niya sa driver side. Pero overall appearance, engine, transmission, good, pati interior po maayos. Under the hood, no talsik, no usok, no blow-by. Naka 2.4 liter VVTi gas engine that produces 166 horsepower at 223 Nm of torque. Wala po itong oil leakage, wala po itong overheat history. Kompleto din po ang mga papel nito, updated po ang registration, ready for transfer. Outside appearance, smooth shiny paint, very presentable, just gas and go. Next, we have Isuzu Crosswind Sportivo 2.5X turbo, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 90,000 km, price 538,000. Location, Bacoor, Cavite. Garnet red ang kulay nito. Ipakita ko rin sa inyo tong quality na Isuzu Sportivo na automatic transmission. Pristine interior condition, naka 2-toned leather seat po ang mga upuan, naka dual ice cold aircon, naka stock stereo, 7 to 8 seater capacity, naka deep dish matting na rin to. Smooth ang suspension nito, solid ang under chassis, wala po itong kalampak. Private use only, not bank repo, used but not abused tong unit. 100% not flooded unit, 100% no accident history. Ending 3 po ang plate number nito at naka-registered po ito hanggang 2025. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood, naka-Amaron battery na to. Naka 2.5 liter diesel engine that produces 84 horsepower at 185 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Ayan po yung computation nasa screen. Outside appearance, makinis po ito, stock original shiny paint. Mga gulong nito makakapal pa, nasa 90% trade line. No issue po ito, nothing to fix. Next, 2014 Subaru Forester 2.0 AWD automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 90,000 km, price 448,000. Location, Pasig City. Maganda itong Subaru, swerte pong makakabili nito, kasa maintain with kasa records. Multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, naka Android touchscreen head unit with reverse camera and sensors, all power and all mechanism 100% working, ice cold aircon with automatic climate control, pristine interior condition, naka leather pong upuan nito pati sidings, naka deep dish matting na rin to, best buy unit to. Under the hood, naka turbocharged direct injection 2.0 boxer 4-cylinder gas engine that produces 250 horsepower at 359 Nm of torque. Clean and fresh intact interior at wala po itong under chassis noise. Outside appearance, pearl white po ang kulay nito, naka stock original shiny paint pa po yan, very presentable. Naka automatic retractable side mirror, may fog lamps at ang maganda nito yung daytime running lights niya. Available tong mga unit natin sa cash, trade-in and financing. Next, 2016 Volkswagen Polo 1.6L automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 90,000 km, price 315,000. Location, Parañaque City. Sa naghahanap ng quality na sedan na around 300k ang budget, pwede nyo pong i-check at i-consider to mga bossing at idol ko. Naka touchscreen head unit na rin yan, 6-speed automatic automatic transmission, all power, steering, windows and mirrors, working po lahat. All stock, all original, will maintain and well preserved unit to. May center console armrest na rin tong unit. Naka-fabric seats, maayos at maganda pa ang interior condition nitong unit. First owner acquired. Mga pang ilalim nito, wala po itong under chassis noise, walang kalampag. Nothing to fix po ito, must see the unit to appreciate. Under the hood, malinis po ang engine nito. Naka 1.6 liter MPI 4-cylinder gas engine that produces 103 horsepower at 153 Nm of torque. Guaranteed no engine issue, no hidden defects. Ang gwapo ng forma nitong unit at ang ganda pa ng kulay, puting-puti. Malinis ang mga mugs, walang gutter marks at makakapal pang mga gulong. LTO1S PG verified at naka-registered to hanggang 2025. Next, 2017 Mitsubishi Adventure 2.5 GLX, manual transmission, diesel engine, mileage 65,000 km, price 410,000. Location Las Piñas City. Proven and tested na tong unit, ready for long drive, matipid po sa diesel. Naka-touchscreen head unit na rin to, 5-speed manual transmission, naka-ice cold dual aircon, 10-seater po ang capacity. Mga upuan nito naka-fabric seats. Mga upuan nito maayos, wala pong punit. Intact po ang interior nito, upuan, sidings, pati ceiling maayos. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Superb engine condition, naka 2.5 liter diesel engine that produces 74 horsepower at 149 Nm of torque. Available din po ito sa financing plus check ng competition nasa screen. Perfect tong unit natin sa mga mahilig po mag long drive dyan. Meron na rin tong roof rack. Original shiny paint pa po yan. Very presentable. Just diesel and go. Next, 2014 Chevrolet Trailblazer 2.8 LTX 4x2. Automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 59,000 km. Price 598,000. Location Parañaque City. Loaded na itong unit sa naghahanap dyan ng formado na Trailblazer. Check this out mga bossing at idol ko. 6-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting. Malakas pong humatak, wala pong delay. Ice cold dual aircon with automatic climate control. Naka-Android touchscreen monitor na rin to. Meron na siyang dalawang headrest monitor at meron na rin siyang reverse camera and parking sensor. 7 to 8 seater capacity at lahat po ng upuan naka all leather na po, pati sidings. Ang isa pang nagpaganda sa unit na to, naka-black na po ang ceiling na to, astig tingnan. Pang top bar yan po ang datingan. Perfect to pang family use at kung marami kang ilalagay sa cargo bay, natutupi po ang third row niyan. Under the hood, excellent engine condition, regular PMS po ito. Naka 2.8 liter diesel engine that produces 236 horsepower at 329 Nm of torque. Naka 2 hitch na rin po itong unit, naka rain gutter, naka 20 inches black Reno mugs at ang mga gulong nito naka terrain tires, nasa 85% trade line pa. May dalawang Bosch Europa horn na rin yan, naka LED lights, may fog lamps. Ending 1 ang plate nito, Monday ang coding at naka-registered to hanggang 2025. Next, 2018 Toyota Vios 1.5G, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 55,000, price 475,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap dyan ng Toyota Vios, pearl white ang kulay nito, 1.5G variant. Naka-touchscreen head unit na rin to, may phone connectivity, may auxiliary and Bluetooth ready. 7-speed CVT transmission with sequential shift-matic. Malinis ang dashboard nito, like new condition. All power, steering, windows, doors and mirrors, working po lahat. Naka-automatic retractable side mirror na rin to. All stock, all original. Sariwa at maganda pa ang loob nito. Excellent interior condition. Under the hood, naka 1.5 liter dual VVTi gas engine that produces 106 horsepower at 140 Nm of torque. Naka Motolite battery, fuel efficient, smooth and quiet engine, ready for long drive. Best buy unit to, maayos pang kondisyon mga ilaw. Outside appearance, stock original shiny paint. Wala po itong gasgas, walang dent. Naka side skirts na rin po yan. Meron na rin siyang ducktail. No issue po ang unit nating to fix. Sa mga interesado, negotiable pa to upon viewing at pwede rin po itong ipasok ng financing. Next, 2017 Toyota Yaris 1.3e, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 30,000, price 480,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron din akong sinamang Toyota Yaris, may nagpapahanap sa akin ito. Ang gwapo rin ng forma nito, pati interior, naka deep dish matting na rin to. 4-speed automatic transmission, naka all leather seat ang mga upuan. Alaga to ni first owner at bihira lang pong gamitin. Kita naman sa itsura, maayos po ang interior, maayos po ang kondisyon nito. Sa mga interesado, pwede nyo pong i-view ang unit ng actual para mas ma-appreciate nyo po ito. Check nyo po engine bay nito, guaranteed no engine issue. Naka 1.3 liter dual VVTi gas engine that produces 98 horsepower at 123 Nm of torque. Naka Motolite battery at fuel efficient po itong unit. Kasama rin po ito sa installment, plus check na lang po ng computation nasa screen. Naka promo po tayo ngayon, naka low down payment all in. Kung cash basis naman po kayo, negotiable upon viewing at free na po ang transfer of ownership. Kung mayroon naman kayong existing unit dyan, pwede nyo nyo pong dalhin sa shop para i-trade in. Next, we have 2014 Toyota Avanza 1.5G, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 70,000, price 480,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Meron din akong sinamang 7-seater na MPV. Perfect din itong unit pang family use. 4-speed, automatic transmission, naka-dual SRS airbag, power steering na rin to, naka-dual ice-cold aircon, clean and fresh intact interior, naka-seat cover na rin po ang mga upuan. Sariwa, malinis at maayos po ang kondisyon nitong unit. Under the hood, excellent engine condition, naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 108 horsepower at 141 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Ayan po yung computation sa screen. For more quality units, pwede nyo rin pong i-visit ang aking Facebook page, J. Catskill Vlogs. Marami rin po akong unit na nakapost doon. Next, we have 2018 Toyota Rush 1.5G, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 30,000 km, price 755,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa mga sawa na po sa sedan at gusto na pong mag-upgrade ng 7-seater MPV, check this out mga bossing. Push start button na to, 4-speed, automatic transmission, all power and all mechanism, gumagana po lahat. Naka all leather na po ang mga upuan nito. First owned unit, private use only, not bank repo. Under the hood, superb quality engine, malinis po ang engine nito, wala po itong oil leakage, wala po itong overheat history. Naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 102 horsepower at 134 Nm of torque. Kasama rin po ito sa financing. Pa-check pa ng computation, nasa screen. Makinis po itong unit outside appearance. Naka-stock original shiny paint pa po yan. Wala po itong gas-gas, walang dent. Naka 2-ton 17 inches alloy wheels at wala pa pong mga gutter marks. Mga gulong makakapal pa po, nasa 85% trade line. Next, 2014 Hyundai Tucson 2.0 GLS, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 40,000 km, price 470,000. Location, Las Piñas City. All stock, all original, may rear parking sensor na to at may reverse camera. Smooth and responsive, 6-speed automatic transmission, may center console armrest na to at maganda po ang upuan nito, naka-leather ang gilid at naka-fabric seats po ang nasa gitna, yung sandalan para hindi masyadong mainit. Kaya sa mga galing pong sedan, kung gusto niyo na pong mag-upgrade ng crossover type, mas mataas po ang ground clearance nito. Best buy unit po ito. Under the hood, naka 2.0 liter gas engine that produces 164 horsepower at 205 Nm of torque. No engine issue, ready to use. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Please check ng computation, nasa screen. Quality po ang unit na to kahit 2014 model, flawless po ang outside appearance. Sa mga interesado at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas ang Smart and WhatsApp account ko po. Next, 2023 Hyundai Creta 1.5 GLS, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 4,900 km, price 928,000. Location, Pasig City. Top of the line series, good as new condition na Hyundai Creta. First owned, naka-keyless entry na to, push start button, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, naka-Android touchscreen head unit with reverse camera and sensor. Meron na rin tong auxiliary and Bluetooth ready. Meron na rin tong traction control system at drive assist. Naka-wireless charging na rin tong unit. Naka-premium factory leather, upuan, sidings pati dashboard. Excellent condition. 5-seater capacity at ang pinakamaganda dito, ang baba po ng mileage. Best buy unit. Kompleto po ang mga papel. May dalawang original remote key. May manual and booklet pati service CASA records. Under the hood, naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 113 horsepower at 144 Nm of torque. May mga CASA markings pa to with CASA warranty. Good engine condition. Outside appearance itong unit, naka-stock original shiny paint, very presentable. Wala po itong gas-gas, walang dent. Mga gulong nasa 95% trade line. Just gas and go. Next, we have Toyota Fortuner 2.4G 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 50,000 km, price 1,160,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap dyan ng Toyota Fortuner, check this out mga bossing. Multi-function steering wheel na to with cruise control. Naka-touchscreen head unit na to with reverse camera and rear parking sensor. Naka-customized leather seats. May VIP captain seats na rin po ito. 7 to 8 seater capacity. Clean and fresh intact interior. Perfect to pang personal and family use. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Superb quality engine. Smooth and quiet. No talsek, no usok, no blow-by. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Please check ng computation, nasa screen. Naka 20 inches mags, wala pong mga gutter marks. Mga gulong makakapal pa, nasa 90% trade line. Naka Mickey Thompson na gulong. Naka Lexus body kit na po ito. flawless. Wala po itong gas-gas, walang dent. Next, we have 2018 Isuzu MU-X 3.0 LS Blue Power 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 60,000 km, price 1,040,000. Location Las Piñas City. Eto mga bossing, another SUV 7 to 8 seater capacity. Push start button na po ito. Multi-function steering wheel with cruise control. Naka-Android touchscreen head unit. Meron na rin tong ceiling monitor. All power and all mechanism 100% working. Naka-all leather na po ang mga upuan nito, pati sidings. Smooth ang suspension at wala po itong kalampag. Under the hood, no engine issue, ready for long drive. Sasakyan na lang to, nating to fix. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may nakursunadahan kayo at kung wala pa po dyan yung unit na kursunada nyo, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. Hanggang sa next upload. This is J. Catskill Vlogs. Peace out!